What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. The time has finally come. It's been actually a little bit over a week since I posted my 10K giveaway, so the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. It's been about a week, so we've actually got exactly 133 entries, and it's time to pick the winner. Sorry for any of the bad audio. I unfortunately don't have my mic with me, and I'm actually in like a hotel room right now, but anyways, I've just loaded all of the names. As I said, we have 133 entries into this random number wheel right here. And so the first spin's gonna be for first place, then second for second place, and the third for third place. And then after this video is done, I'll just contact all the winners via email, or if that doesn't work, by phone number. Let's just get right to it and spin the wheel. Click. And here we go. The winner is Gallic Gabriel. Congratulations, man. You've just won the giveaway. You've just won first place. So you will be able to choose anything on my website and I will send it to you for free. So that is first place. Congratulations again to Gallic Gabriel. I will now, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, and I'll now spin the wheel once again for second place. Spin. And here we go. Second place, Aiden Connell. Congratulations. You've just won the Speed Champions Nissan Skyline R34 set. So I'll contact you and I'll send you that set. Congratulations once again. And now let's go for the third place. Spin. Here we go. And the winner is Zenon. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But congratulations. Basically, you get to choose any premium instructions in my Rebrickable, and I'll give it to you for free. So, congratulations, man. Congratulations to everybody, to all the winners, and just to everybody who has entered the giveaway. And so with all that said, I will contact all the winners via email soon after this video is released. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.